Okay, LP7. So we have two vectors given, and I want to find a plane that's parallel to both of them. That's terrible. I want to find a plane that's parallel to both of them. Let's see, these are, I didn't give these names. Let's call these V1 and V2. And that goes through a particular point, x naught. And that x naught is given, it's a 1, 1, 2. So, by the way, that's one of the things that we need when we're finding the equation of the planes. We need the x naught. There it is. Boom. It's part of the, given in the problem. So the challenge here is simply to find the normal vector perpendicular to the plane. And here's the argument. If the normal vector is perpendicular to the plane, that means that normal vector is going to be perpendicular to both of these parallel vectors.
Because we're told that those vectors are perpendicular to the plane.
These vectors are given to be parallel to the plane. Yeah, that's right. That's right. So if these are both parallel to the plane, then they both have to be perpendicular to the normal vector. So I could choose as my normal vector anything that's perpendicular to these two vectors. And again, whenever you hear yourself thinking that phrase, something that's perpendicular to two vectors, think cross product. So V1 cross V2 will do it. And take the two given vectors, do their cross product. That's your n. X is given. And then n dot x is equal to n dot x naught.
Does it matter which order, like V cross 1?
No, the difference is that if you switch the order of these, if you switch the V1 and the V2, it'll just give you a minus sign. Which is, you're right, that'll just give you a sort of a normal vector going down instead of up, and ultimately that's just a scalar multiple of -1, and it doesn't, the equation will look different, but it's logically identical.
Yeah, I drew that completely wrong. Like, I had, like, both vectors, like, below, like, the pen was above, and both vectors were below.
I see.
And then when I took the cross product, I had it pointing up through the page, like, sticking.